Ooni Karu is our portable, powerful wood, charcoal and gas-fired pizza oven that reaches an incredible 932 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius and cooks authentic pizza in just 60 seconds. Say hello to Ooni Karu. With Ooni Karu, you can cook with real wood or charcoal for authentic wood-fired flavour, or switch it up for the ultimate convenience using our separate gas burner. In just 15 minutes, Ooni Karu reaches 932 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the powerful heat needed for creating truly great pizza in just 60 seconds. You can also cook so much more, firing out delicious wood-fired meat, fish, nachos, wings and vegetable dishes too. Ooni Karu is a step change in pizza oven innovation. Ooni Karu includes a stainless steel body, ceramic fiber insulation, an extra thick 15mm stone baking board, and our patented Flamekeeper engineering. These features give Ooni Karu optimum airflow, maximum heat retention and even heat distribution for longer, consistent cooking temperatures, delivering you an awesome outdoor cooking experience every time. Refueling is simple via the easy access rear fuel hatch. You can also manage the power of the fire easily using the chimney baffle, which acts as a throttle through making quick airflow adjustments. Simply open it up for maximum flames and temperatures, or close for lower temperatures for different pizza styles and longer, slower cooks. The perforated fuel tray drives off excess ash as it burns, and the ultra-high temperatures mean that Ooni Karu is self-cleaning for minimal fuss. When we say Ooni Karu is portable, we really mean it. The chimney is detachable and the legs are folding. Weighing just over 26 pounds or 12 kilos, that's about the same as a case of beer, so you can throw a pizza party in any outdoor space. Because at Ooni, we know it's so much more fun to focus on what really matters. Cooking epic food with family and friends, because everyone deserves great pizza.